Hi, my name is Jerry Norton, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 for each ugly house that you find and bring me. It's really simple. You find deals, submit them, and get paid $10,000 for each deal. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of my finder fee program, but if you want more details, then click the link on this video right now. From there, you can register for an on-demand training where I go into more detail about the program, including how to join and how to get your first $10,000 check in as little as 30 days. Look, I know you're busy, so if you want to get started right away, click the link and register now for the training. But if you have a couple of minutes, I urge you to stick around because this is one of the fastest and easiest ways to get your first big payday with real estate. In a nutshell, you find a deal that meets my criteria for a good fix and flip deal, and I pay you a finder's fee of $10,000. Then I take care of everything else. I fund the deal because I have access to lots of cash. Then I manage the rehab and I market and sell the property. There are tons of good fix and flip deals out there in today's market. You can start locally and move outwards. This works in all 50 states, and you are not limited to your local area or state that you live in. I'll even give you a tool called the Automated Deal Finder that practically finds deals for you. All you have to do is pick the city and state, and the Automated Deal Finder software will automatically send hot deals to your email inbox in a couple of minutes. And here's the best part. You don't need any of your own money or credit, or even any experience with real estate to do this. And deals close fast. You can get your first $10,000 check in as little as 30 days. To show you how this works, I'd like to tell you a story about Sandra. Now, Sandra found an ugly house near her hometown in Philadelphia. Sandra plugged some information about the house into my Deal Genie software. Then the Deal Genie automatically analyzed the deal and gave Sandra a green light, which meant that it was a good deal that matched my criteria. Sandra submitted the deal to me. Then Sandra got a finder's fee of $10,000 just for finding the deal. Now you may be asking yourself, why would I pay you $10,000 instead of just finding the deals myself? Well, I have systems in place to fix up and sell these properties quickly and efficiently. So my biggest problem is finding as many deals as I possibly can. Since my profits on these deals are substantial, I will gladly pay you $10,000 each for as many good deals as you can find. Now I'm going to go into the exact details about how this works and how to collect your $10,000 finder fees on a free, on-demand training that I'm only airing over the next 7 days. If you're watching this video, then you've been invited, but that doesn't mean you have a seat. Each training is limited to just 300 people, and many of the seats have already been taken. So this may be your one and only chance. What you need to do right now is click the link on this video to claim your seat. When you do, you'll be taken to a registration page with another video of me talking about this program. Now, if you want to watch that video, it's up to you, but it repeats a lot of the same information you just heard me talk about. So if you're ready to register, then just choose your date and time on that page right away. And by the way, this isn't one of those 3-hour-long boring webinars where I tell you my life story and take forever to get to the point. It's a short training about the length of a TV show, and I know you're gonna love it, so click to register right now, and I'll see you on the training.